And here we have our polypropylene cutting board. It is trimmed with a rim that is got a measure. It's a rubber rim with a measure to measure inches on both sides. That way when you need a clean uniform cut of something the same size, it shows a good markings. Now the care and use for your cutting board is to clean it wash it before your first use. To prevent staining, you do want to wash it immediately after use. And if it does get stained, you'll clean it with chlorine bleach. This can be put in the dishwasher or hand washed. The knife will not leave any cuts in the polypropylene board, which means you will not get any bacteria left behind or any staining. Now to make a nice relish tray, and you need all the same size particles or vegetables you'd like to put in it, you can just simply measure using the lines on the side of the board and cut them all at the same time, and you'll get uniform cuts every time.